Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Many of us dream of financial independence, and a great way to start building that future is through investing. A brokerage account acts as your personal gateway to the financial markets, allowing you to buy and sell things like stocks, bonds, and funds. It's really the first step in making your money work harder for you, helping you grow your wealth over time. When you're just starting out, a friendly platform makes all the difference. Look for accounts with simple, easy-to-understand interfaces so you don't feel overwhelmed. Access to great educational materials, like helpful articles or short videos, can really boost your confidence. Plus, finding accounts with low or no minimum deposits means you can start investing with whatever amount feels comfortable for you. For beginners, two names consistently stand out: Fidelity and Charles Schwab. Fidelity provides fantastic research tools and a comprehensive selection of investment products, making it a solid choice. Charles Schwab is highly regarded for its exceptional customer support and also offers a wide variety of investment opportunities. Both firms are well established, offering strong security and a comfortable environment for new investors to learn and grow. Before you commit, it's really important to look closely at a few key details. Always check for any hidden fees, such as maintenance charges or costs for trading specific assets. Also, make sure you understand the initial deposit requirements, as some accounts might need a larger amount to start. Finally, take a moment to see what types of investments they offer, ensuring they align with what you're hoping to invest in. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Starting with smaller, regular contributions can be incredibly effective over time. Don't hesitate to do more research or ask questions as you become more familiar with the process. The most important thing is to pick an account that feels right for you, then take that exciting first step towards securing your financial future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.